inappropriate.
You have to feel around for it so you don't fall through. There you go.
That was not helping at all. No, you're making me slip.
Very good.
Sit on that little leg.
Very good. And there, step down on this rock and they're headed that way. There you go, right down to there.
The well was definitely.
That's me. Nice to meet you guys.
That wasn't wrong, Noah.
That's actually
Very
really
good.
Guys, there's a lot of rocks in here.
Yeah, I know. No, that's not rock.
Really good. Really good. Come over here, step down here, and they headed that way. There we go.
I didn't see you grip on it.
There we go. You look too happy. That was supposed to beat you up.
Yeah.
Okay, we're headed down this way. Come down here and step on this, and then they're headed that way.
How you doing, Jake? I'm up. I'm not good for a line. I can still climb.
Were you the last one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are we going?
That way. Yep.
There's a little stickier.
Yeah.
Lightweight. Guys, I feel like a room over there.
No, there's no room.
Keep moving.
Down more.
Okay.
Listen up, boys. Listen up.
Up here on the left-hand side, there's a little tunnel, and we want to go through there.
Go, yeah, go through, go.
No,
Yes.
No, I'm not going.
Something that's hands and knees.
I'll go.
Either somebody with a map or
I'm
a
going.
Sorry, Todd, you have to go now.
And then you'll get to a drop in the floor.
Yeah, wait for a minute. Okay. Let me know. I'm just
Charlie.
waiting for more people.
I have to go then.
Okay.
Hey buddies, keep the same order.
They were.
So, Henry, you go first after
What do you know?
Did you go left or right after you reach the tunnel?
The first one is left, and then the second one is right.
Left and right.
First one's left, second one's right.
Yes. Up, down, up, down.
I have a t-shirt with that on it, Mark.
Right. Okay. I think I remember.
I got you. I'm right behind
Oh, my.
I was using Mark as a tester also.
Yeah.
Canary?
Yeah.
Hey guys. Well, I grew up in Anthracite district of Pennsylvania,
Oh, yeah.
Outside of Bloomsburg.
Yeah.
I still drive past Centralia on the way home, but when we were little, we'd still do coal mine tours over there. Take us down in the carts, and
That sounds cool.
it was when you're in second grade, a little scary. I used to have
Oh, yeah.
dreams about getting stuck down there. 'Cause they tell you all the horror stories before they put you on the cart.
Of course.
Come on, Travis, live fire exercise.
Sorry.
Literally.
Okay, now,
Hey.
we're gonna go down that hole.
Okay.
Going down that hole.
There's no real footholds. So it's mostly your arms lowering yourself down until you can stand up on the floor.
So feet first.
Feet first.
Feet first.
If you want to, I can go down first and help you.
Yeah, you can go down first.
Just guys.
I don't have a map.
Feet first.
He's going first.
Go by.
No, Liam goes.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't.
You don't need a map. Just go. Somebody go.
Oh, okay.
He's telling me where to go.
Like, just get down there and wait.
Okay, you're going to go down. When you go down, you're going to go back again this direction towards us.
Okay.
You're going to go through 1, 2, 3, maybe it's a fourth room. It's a bigger room that we can stand up in and just have a seat there and just wait till everybody gathers together.
Did you hear that, Wet?
4 room.
Go to the room that you can stand, bigger room that you can stand up
So
in.
just
Yeah.
keep going straight until you can stand up, and then
Yeah. Well, I think it's the second room you can stand up in.
Second room you can stand up in? Okay.
Yeah.
The second one
How
you can
far
stand
is
up
the
in.
drop?
It's only 6 feet.
6 or 7.
So,
I'm
like,
gonna punch you in the.
see,
So what entity
Del could
regulates
probably
this?
just stand and
It's privately owned.
Okay.
It's on private property and the owner gives me permission each time.
Yeah, see, Del could
To enter.
still see Del.
Oh wow.
And that's what he
Go back towards him.
purchased it for. Is for educational purposes.
That's awesome. You doing this, Trev?
I guess I love going in down it.
You can always come back here and chill.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, you're 1 inch away.
How much more narrow does this get into like the catacomb type area?
Yeah, and then it's belly crawl.
Okay.
If you don't want to do that,
Yeah.
we'll just go
I
straight.
don't think it's.
Don't go down
like it's
the hole.
safe, but-
Okay, just go straight through here and.
Well, yeah, to the first right, and then we're gonna just hands and knees crawl till we get to the next room.
Oh, that goes down really far.
Yeah, it goes down 6 feet, Jonas. All right, Henry, after Charlie.
No, wait a
Just take your time, guys. Spot each other.
Yes.
Okay, I'll go after.
Hold up.
No, guys, simmer down.
Guys, hold up.
Wait till you gotta time it so you don't. If you fall, you're not taking 2 people out with you or
I
somebody
know,
else.
I know.
And we're
No,
not.
I'm talking to Noah, buddy. I know you have common sense.
We're not in a race here.
What?
I gotta
Yeah,
wait
you
till
can
like,
go.
Jonas, why were you laughing?
Wait, hold up.
okay, I'm coming down there.
All right.
2 of them are mine. I'm not going to tell you which 2. I talk to them all the same.
Okay,
You got this.
well, no footholds.
No,
So we can hear them already.
Okay.
We were at Chickies Rock doing top rope climbing.
Oh yeah, that's a nice
The
one.
skinny one was the best climber, just with the strength to weight ratio.
Yeah.
He could
Yeah.
he could just hang,
Spider monkey.
big hands, long feet, and he was going full cliffhanger.
I'm not.
Well, Ryan
pretty
did-
cool.
Yeah, we need to. So we were using Adventure Explorations. I need to find another outfitter for climbing.
Yeah, I don't know.
Not the ones you're in.
Is it this one? I can tell you.
I'm trying to think, the Philly Rock Gym or Reading Rocks.
Oh, look.
Some of them go and practice at the Birdsboro Quarry.
Okay, so the locations. It's just because with scouts.
Mm-hmm.
Like we got climb on certified and everything, but to do top rope belay, we just because the outfitters will have insurance.
Yeah,
Like we have no problem paying for, and then the boys learn more.
yeah,
Leaders, you can't teach everything because we don't know everything. Just
yeah. It's difficult.
because we found, I think John Beeler is the one that gave us your number,
Okay.
and he's Baltimore. Anyway, they're 485, but we try to pick those up because it's better to find people with a higher educational value in these things.
Yeah. And it's difficult to find people that can work with kids.
Yeah, well, we try to keep ours under control.
It's like, you ever hear that, you know, in scouts, lashings will continue?
Yeah.
Until morale improves. Well, we were told that you focused on kids in the scouts specifically.
Yes.
So.
Yeah, I was a scoutmaster for like 14 years and a crew advisor for 9.
Sorry about your poor decision making.
So you say just go straight back this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're not going? Come on, I can jump
No, I'm good.
on your shoulders.
You can do it, Tim.
No, I'm all right.
Yeah. Tell me when you're clear, Mark. Oh.
This,
Huh.
okay, right there, there's a tunnel to the right before you go belly crawling.
Okay. Oh, back here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Very good.
Which way do you think I go? Down here?
Yes, that way, that direction.
Then left?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see if they can find their way out. Okay. Okay, now. If we go down this way,
Okay.
we'll be out in front of them.
All right. I'll follow you.
Just get into the gym, come back behind. This drops off rope.
Yeah. Well, I got my
fast.
foot right here. Yeah. I'm just-
Okay.
Yeah, I noticed that. I'm not, and it's pretty slick.
Very slick,
It
yes.
wasn't as bad last year. But I guess it depends on
Oh, yeah?
when it rained last time and stuff.
Yeah, we've had more rain,
Yeah.
which is kind of nice. I like it when it gets a little bit muddy,
Mm-hmm.
and it's more fun to watch the kids
Yeah.
get totally drenched in mud. Okay. And I'm gonna wait for them to come up here.
Are they, which way are they coming out? Down that
They're
way?
coming out down here, or here, one of these holes.
Depends on which way you went.
Oh my. I don't hear them yet. I hope they didn't get lost.
I have a map.
They have the map.
I hear them, I just can't tell. How often do you do these? Or how busy is it usually?
Right now it's just like once, twice a month.
Mhm.
Last spring it was every weekend.
Mm.
That was exhausting.
Oh, sure.
It's a lot of fun,
Mhm.
but it was very tiring. But I like doing it. I said I had some summer camps over the summer,
Yeah.
and They were a lot of fun. Yeah, I hear them now.
Sure, especially for kids who have never done anything like this
Yeah,
before, and then to see,
yeah,
especially probably the scared ones at the beginning that come out like
yeah.
not scared. And
It's amazing.
Yeah.
But the ones, I'm not sure if the other one, the one summer camp was mostly inner city kids
Okay.
and that had never done anything like this before.
Yeah.
And some of them were terrified. I mean, really terrified.
Mm-hmm.
And a couple of those that were really terrified actually sucked it up and went through.
Yeah.
And then by the end of the trip, they were really loving it.
Mm-hmm.
They wanted one more place. There's someplace else we can go. So that was a lot of fun.
Yeah, last time when we did the catacombs, like I always thought I'd never do anything like that because I don't mind like this type, but like just really narrow
yeah.
spaces.
Yeah.
And then like you took us, you didn't tell us about that, but we dropped down through a chimney, and then after that you're like, all right, now it's going to be tight, and I'm like, God damn it, you couldn't have told us that before we went through the chimneys, like. But I'm like,
Spoils it.
what are you gonna do? Just like sit there and cry? You gotta go. Like you
Yeah.
can't.
Yeah.
But no, it was fun.
It's good, but you do it once.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes that's all you need. It's just a
Yeah.
one time, and I don't blame anybody for that.
Mm-hmm.
Because it is tight. There's one
Yeah.
part of it is that my back is scraping the ceiling and
Yeah.
my belly
Yeah,
is
that's
scraping
the-
the floor. And
Yeah, that was the part. It was just a little hump or whatever. that you
yeah,
had to go through.
it was tough.
Yeah. But when you said it, I was picturing in my mind like the whole thing being like that, and I'm like, oh no. But then when you get in there, it's like, okay, it's not that. It's just a one tight part, and then the rest.
The first time I did that, I don't know why they put me in the lead. I was with my caving club. And it was the first time I was in this cave. And they told me to lead and go down there. And I got down there and I'm like, I was scared to death.
Yeah.
I was like, are we in a good place? Is this?
Yeah.
And I said, we're here to discover. Go find out.
Mm-hmm.
You're crazy.
Yeah.
But it was good.